Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn off collecting our data by digital well-being application in Samsung Galaxy S22. Where to look for this option? We need to go to settings, then we are looking for our digital well-being and parental controls here, and in the three dots menu we have settings, and here it is, deny access to usage data. Here we have explanation, what does it do and what it will do, settings, and here it is, digital well-being. Turn it off, and that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.